This 2017 KZ Durango Gold G355 RLT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, LP detector, oven, water heater, slide-out, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV antenna, microwave. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 KZ Durango Gold G355 RLT is 10,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.